Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions. A quick little market update. One of the things that I wanted to start this video off by sharing is I'm not too sure if you guys actually saw the different companies that report earnings today, but one of the companies that everyone is talking about right now that just got absolutely destroyed is Target. Target is down 1/4, 25% of its previous value, just wiped out. Check this out. On the day chart, significant drop to 159. It was previously trading at overall highs of $265 a share, and that was just in late 2021. As of now, it is now trading at $160 a share. A lot of people are asking, hey, is now the time to buy? One of the things that you must understand is that when something sells off, it could continue to sell off. So please understand that and do yourself a favor and don't just buy because it's cheap, but have a reason behind what it is that you do. Piggybacking off of that, the market's down today. Surprise, surprise, right? One of the things that we talked about in yesterday's video is, hey, you guys should all be aware of the resistance level at the moving average. This resistance level has been present for the past month, ever since the beginning of April. I wanted to show you this firsthand. You guys can see that the overall NASDAQ market has been bearish for all of April and all of March. It's been getting rejected by this moving average. Every time that it picks up, it gets rejected. Every time that it picks up, it gets rejected. Every time that it picks up, it gets rejected. I actually want to give a shout out to Randall. Randall commented that, hey, my tip of, hey, be aware of this resistance level is hopeful that the market's going to be up tomorrow. Like, this is the part that baffles me from people on YouTube, and the reason I'm using Randall as an example, it's because I know for a fact that there are so many people like this that all they do is they think that the market's going to recover out of nowhere, right? And or they trade. Does this sound familiar? They trade off of hope. Off of what they hope happened. It's almost like all the Reddit, AMC, and GME traders. Where are they at now, right? Well, they held from $74 all the way down to $9, or from $300 all the way down to, I don't even know where GME is at right now, probably like $80, $90 a share. It's sad. It is so sad that people cannot make sense of a trade, regardless if they're invested or not, that there's an obvious resistance level, that they can't digest that they can't make sense of, like, hey, maybe it's not the best idea to buy more at these overbought levels where there's a potential resistance level. Like, I would love for the market to recover. I mean, I bought the dip on Tesla, I bought the dip on Apple, I'm buying the dip on Amazon, bought the dip on TQQQ. You think I wanted to sell off? No, but it's not about what I want to happen. It's what has been happening for nearly the past 2 months. And this is my encouragement for all of you. Don't be like Randall. Don't be someone that's so pessimistic that all they do is they feed themselves the idea of what they hope happens, and keep your trading simple. Trade off of what makes sense and what the market's telling you, either on the technical side and or on the fundamental side. Understand overall market sentiment. But I think that is a great stepping stone for all beginners, is to look at Randall and Randall's actions and to use it as an example of what exactly not to be like, right? Because now what? TQQQ is down 7%. And fortunately, I reduced my position size yesterday, right? So now I can get it at a discounted rate, and it could still sell off. I mean, we have previous support levels of $26, but I can either use the money that I sold yesterday. I had a $32,000, $34,000 day yesterday. And I can utilize that capital, put it into TQQQ now at a discounted rate. So I'm very excited to follow up. Is the market not all about, managing your position size? It's not about always being right, but it's making sure that you put yourself in a position in which you can tolerate, not just for best case scenario, but always take into consideration worst case scenario. If the past 5 months hasn't taught you anything, at least let it teach you this. The cheap can always get cheaper. So I'll leave it at that. I really do appreciate your guys' time. If you guys want to be able to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, we do and are running a huge sale as of right now. I trade live every single morning exclusive to our Learn Plan Profit group, and that's going to be $100 off. That's going to be that second link down below. And again, if you want access to that live trading session, make sure you click that second link down below. Also, friendly reminder, there is a free flag with every order today at shoptechbuds.com. And that's that fourth link down below. So if you want to pimp out your trading station with some aluminum art, some trading mouse pads, or some of the aluminum periodic elements, make sure you add your favorite flag to your cart and you'll actually get the flag for free automatically. No discount code needed. And again, that's at shoptechbuds.com. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.